Have you ever wondered how the vast blue ocean contributes to controlling our planet's climate? Yes, that's right. The ocean, that endless expanse of blue, plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate. But how exactly does it do this? The secret lies in something we call the ocean's carbon cycle. This massive swirling body of water isn't just home to a myriad of marine life. It's also a key player in the Earth's carbon cycle. The ocean absorbs and stores a significant amount of carbon dioxide from our atmosphere, a process that's vital in helping to mitigate the effects of climate change. But the ocean's role doesn't stop there. It also releases carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere, forming a dynamic, ever-changing balance that directly impacts our global climate. To understand this better, we need to delve into what we call the ocean's carbon cycle. The ocean's carbon cycle involves a complex series of processes, but at its core, it's about balance. Now let's dive into how this balance is achieved. Firstly, the ocean acts as a colossal sponge, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This carbon dioxide then combines with seawater to form carbonic acid, which is broken down into bicarbonate and carbonate ions. Enter phytoplankton, the microscopic plants of the sea. They use sunlight for photosynthesis, converting carbon dioxide and water into glucose and oxygen. This conversion effectively transforms inorganic carbon into organic carbon. But the story doesn't end there. Marine organisms like shellfish and coral absorb these carbonate ions to build their shells and skeletons. When they die, they sink to the ocean floor, locking away their carbon content in deep-sea sediments. This process of carbon storage, known as the biological pump, is crucial in maintaining our planet's carbon balance. So you see, the ocean's carbon cycle plays a significant role in regulating the amount of carbon dioxide in our atmosphere. But what does this mean for climate change? The ocean's carbon cycle has a profound impact on climate change. Our oceans are nature's very own climate regulators, working tirelessly to absorb vast amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This absorption process helps to slow down global warming. Think of the ocean as a giant blue sponge, soaking up around a quarter of all the carbon dioxide humans release into the atmosphere. However, there's a downside to this process. As the oceans absorb more and more carbon dioxide, they become more acidic. This phenomenon, known as ocean acidification, poses a significant threat to marine life, particularly creatures with calcium carbonate shells or skeletons, like corals and shellfish. In the grand scheme of things, a more acidic ocean can disrupt the overall marine food chain, affecting not only the biodiversity of our seas, but also human communities that rely on these ecosystems for their livelihood. The health of our oceans and their ability to continue this vital role is under threat. Our actions have a direct impact on the health of the oceans and, in turn, the planet's climate. It's a relationship that's as deep as the ocean trenches themselves. When we pollute, when we overfish, when we allow climate change to go unchecked, we're not just harming the sea life. We're tampering with the ocean's carbon cycle, a complex process that plays a pivotal role in regulating our world's climate. So what can we do? Well, marine conservation is not just about saving the whales or the coral reefs. It's about preserving this intricate carbon cycle, maintaining the ocean's ability to absorb carbon dioxide, and consequently mitigating the impacts of climate change. Marine conservation is our tool, our hope, our responsibility. It's about ensuring that the oceans continue to be a robust, functioning carbon sink. The ocean's carbon cycle is a lifeline for our planet. By taking care of our oceans, we're also taking care of our climate.